Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be episode 1 of our moving vlog series. I don't know how many episodes it's going to be. Maybe like 3, 4, 5. No, that seems like too much. I don't know. But we are moving. I just graduated from the University of Georgia. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go watch that video like right now, then come back to this video. And yeah, now that I graduated, there's no reason for us to still be here in Athens. So we're moving from Athens all the way to the west side of Atlanta, which is pretty cool, pretty fun, kind of scary, pretty exciting. And we got a call yesterday, and our official move-in date, or the day that we will be getting our keys, is Tuesday, May 25th, if I'm correct. So, yeah, we have a little over a week to pack up our apartment and move out, basically. I decided to go ahead and start packing up things now because I do not want to wait till the last minute. Plus, I'm also trying to declutter at the same time and throw away a bunch of stuff that we don't need. So yeah, I hope you guys follow this vlog series along with us, and yeah, you can, just watch us. Alright, I don't know if you all can call this that productive, but I just got finished packing up this box. Pretty much everything that was on this bookshelf over here is now in this box. We got 3 of these bins from Big Lots yesterday, and I was going to use them for our shoes, but our shoes can't fit. But everything's packed up in here. Also, I need to go buy some bubble wrap because all of my candles I wrapped up in my graduation gift wrap paper. I'm also wrapped up with some frames and things like that. But yeah, this is one box out of who knows how many. We're gonna do it. A little bit of progress, but we're gonna get through it.
So the house looks a mess right now. I don't know what Netty's been doing while I've been at work, but it looks a mess in here, honey. And I need to. I'm just kidding. She already told you guys that we're moving, so I brought home a bunch of Chick-fil-A boxes. Chick-fil-A Inc. What is it at? There's a thing on the box.
Where?
There's a thing on the box. The funny thing.
Where's that? Where's that?
Oh. Don't drop, handle like eggs. Waffle fries.
Literally, I was like, what's in here? Eggs? No.
The waffle
handle,
fries, if they crumble.
Handle like eggs. Okay.
Anyways, yeah, I got some boxes. Oh, hey Luna. We started taping out some stuff, packing some stuff in here. You come this way. Into the room, you saw Netty.
Clothes all on the bed. Anyway,
Netty, she broke down the
shoe
rack, and I started packing. Netty does this cool method she taught me when I first moved to Athens about putting your clothes in a trash bag or something.
Yeah.
The trash bag
you keep it on the hangers so that it's easier to transport, and then just put it back in your new closet. Boom.
Yeah. Ironically, the first time she told me about this method, I took it wrong, right? So what I did was I poked a hole in the bottom of the trash bag. Put the hangers through that hole. I thought it was just covering your clothes.
I mean, honestly, that's kind of smart too if you think about it. That's a good idea, but I mean, this is so we can still reuse the trash bag as a trash bag.
Yeah.
Once our clothes come out.
Bags out, boy.
Yeah, you had holes in the bags. I'm like, what are we supposed to do with this?
Yeah. But we gotta get under the bathroom sink. We gotta empty out these dressers. It's a lot. It's
kind of sad.
It's a whole lot. We already took, I don't know if y'all remember what our walls look like, but we had a Baconetty sign here and Netty's calendar over here, and we had some painting or something she got.
Yeah, I had some painting
from a
stuff
friend.
over there. Yeah.
Bathroom, we had paintings on the wall. All that is gone.
Yeah, the bathroom looks very empty and bright.
Yeah, this was here before, and we covered it up with a painting.
Totally forgot it was there.
Yeah.
Totally forgot it was there.
It's been a long time coming.
Right.
But right now, what are you working on, honey?
I'm about to go ahead and try to pack up my seasonings. I need my stool because I'm short. So.
Oh, okay, heard. You about to get up in there? Let me turn the light on for you, shorty.
Yeah, this is my like seasoning cabinet that I created.
You created the cabinet?
I didn't, but
we love a handy woman.
I didn't create it, but I made it. And so basically, because the seasonings are about to go in boxes, I'm not cooking until we move. So that's fun. Pizza rolls it is.
Yeah, and she started working on these, the pantry.
I think I'm gonna throw this out. So, we got work on this, y'all. We're getting there. We're making a lot of progress though. From my one box from earlier today, we have three.
Her one little bin. Anyways, I'm about to time lapse Netty putting these sauces in this box. Or seasonings or whatever. So don't fall off that stool, cause we gonna see it in 4K.
That's not funny.
All right. The living room still looks atrocious. Yeah. We found this bin outside and another bin that's actually covered in spider webs. Like literal cobwebs, like thick cobwebs. But anyways, broke down a lot of electronic stuff. We had this corner filled up with stuff over here. It's all gone now and it's all over here packed up and everything. Still got plenty of boxes to put together and plenty of stuff to break down, desk included, all this other stuff on Netty's dresser and everything. But she's about to pack these pots into a bag, right, honey? After she pours her lemonade.
I
all
am,
these
yes.
pots we have under this cabinet.
I am. Woo, Lord. Why do I like to cook?
And I think that's all we're gonna do for the day,
because you see, I'm already taking my break. Honey, I want to order some pizza. Come on, let's go. We're about to go. After we doing this, that's my reward. Pizza.
Pizza? That's what you want?
That's so unhealthy.
I love it for you, though. Anyways.
It's okay. After this, we're going on a diet for the wedding. We're losing weight for the wedding.
Pots. You gonna get to these pots?
Mm-hmm. That's just so much.
It's so much. Okay.
Send help, please.
We may or may not do the pots. Anyways, we're gonna get our pizza and everything, and we'll see you guys after that. And then I can't even, I'm not even talking to you. I'm showing y'all Netty here.
Here you go, boom.
We're gonna get our pizza and everything, and then after that, we'll talk to y'all a little bit and probably end off this. This is episode 1 of our moving series.
Woo woo.
And episode 1 is kind of a lot already.
Woo woo.
But yeah, so yeah, what's gonna be part 2, Netty? What are we doing?
I have no, maybe going to the store to buy some bubble wrappers. You guys, we don't know. We're gonna do it. Are you about to end this video out?
After we get the pizza, they're gonna see the pizza. What you know about that pizza, boy?
Yes. All right,
anyways, we'll see y'all in a bit.
Woo.
What that lemonade do?
Honey, please. Honey, stop. No. Honey, delete it.
No.
Honey.
The pizza is here, and I'm ready to eat. You always say we need to have a cameraman for all the weird stuff that we be doing, and here you go, banging the lemonade on the counter, screaming, Yeah, you caught.
For Luna.
What's that?
For Luna.
When'd you get this?
When I got her, I got a bunch of these, like 4 or 5 left.
Oh.
See, she know.
She already know.
She know. And that's right, boo-boo. She know, and that's right.
All right, I guess you go eat first. Kids eat first or whatever.
No, we need to eat at the same time so she won't be in my face.
Runs to get the pizza after she pours it in the bowl. Wait, so is it just wet food?
Yeah, but I
Like
mix
slop.
I mix it with her dry food because it makes her dry food feel like it got flavor and it really don't. It's like chicken broth for dogs. All right, here's the pizza. I'm just put this in there.
Yeah, your cell phone blocking the shot. And the pizza buckets.
Okay, I didn't know there was a specific way.
Good old Papa John. There's cheese in the crust. Hallelujah. And there's some pepperoni.
This one's my pizza, technically.
There's some pepperoni. Yes, ma'am.
I said extra pepperoni. That's really extra.
Yeah, you did. Jeez, I said extra sauce.
Oh, I thought you said extra pepperoni. Boo.
It's cool. That's cute. That's cool.
It's okay. You could just throw something on
No,
them.
it's okay.
Oh.
I'm cool with all of it. We about to eat. You remember the car vlog? Where the money resides. She doing this dance, so it reminds me of. We going?
Don't. You guys, hold on. I just want to show you guys this.
Oh. I'm gonna just do it that way.
Okay, it's kind of clean, but not really.
She pulled out a lot of stuff, it looks like.
Well, I decided to do like 2 bins or whatever, and that's all that could fit in 2 bins. The stuff that's left over, I gotta figure out another box or something.
Yeah. We just got some more boxes from my job too, so that's good.
Yep.
But anywho, this is like episode 1, right, of the moving series. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
We moving from the east to the west. Hey, from the east to the west.
If you guys did enjoy
to the east,
make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe.
and hit that bell button.
Hit the bell to be notified every time we post new videos, and we'll see you guys
from the east to the west. Hey, from the east
in the next one.
to the west.
Y'all be easy.
I never meant to start a war.